morning. It's an early one this morning. I got some notes, doing some freelance work. This is an old piece. I can't show you what I'm working on. You know, check those out, or you can check out my Instagram. I'll leave the link in the description. Give it a follow, and check out and follow my van Instagram, Chico in the van. I'll leave the links in the description. That's what pays the bills. I had to push this back a few inches so that I could open this up. Now that works fine, and we have a little gapper there, which is fine. I could put a little trim molding on there, look cool. And now we got a little shelf there too. I could put the remote there. I'll have the TV up here. I'm gonna wait on that mattress until that last piece is put in. But yep, I have this here. I got toggle switches for all of the electrics. I want to put lights on. I want to have my water pump, lights, TV, fan, and here's a 12 volt UV, 12 volt, yep. And we got some USBs too. The only thing I'm wondering is, where do you wire the negatives? You got one negative, one positive, and then everything is connected to that. So does this have to go to another control panel or something, and then from there I can do that? This thing didn't come with instructions. And on the back side, we're gonna have that hanging closet. And once that's done, I will show you that side. But for now, it's a mess. Here's the back end for you guys. It's not so pretty, but that's how it looks. Like so. See how messy my work is? But I want to put another piece of wood here, and then we're going to put some of those pipes here. It probably can only fit maybe two. One here, and then hang jackets facing out. I could probably fit 5 on this side, 5 on this side. And then on this side, we're gonna have a hanging shoe rack that goes all the way down. Holds about 30 pairs. Another one on this side, another 30 pair. And then this area here is going to have tools, dog supplies, just camping gear stuff, chairs, maybe a hammock, some sleeping bags. But we got plenty of space under here as well. This will hold about 6 of those big bins, and then it's tall enough that we have those bins, and then stack another. We have some like thinner, longer bins that'll fit right over the top of those bins. So we're gonna leave this open so we can just have access to it, and we'll leave the front open end as well so we can have access to the front, because if we're out there and we don't want to go out to get into the storage, we can just pull boxes out to the front and stay warm inside. Here's my AC tube. We still have to figure out how we're gonna work that, but for now we saved it. It's gonna work. I already tested it out and it blows cold through there. Yeah, works. And then something with these doors too. We're gonna keep these open for storage as well. I saw a cool idea some lady did. She just had a metal plate and all her tools were magnetized onto the plate. Cool idea. So now that this whole area is blocked off, I guess I can just cover these windows like how I did here. It's blacked out. So I'm going to black these out. No point in keeping those. I'll just black them out. Yep, still waiting to do these too. I was going to do them today, but that little box took forever trying to figure it out. But now that that's done, it was a big chunk of the workload. We're going to call it a day. I'm out.